Let's learn the pistil stitch. The pistil stitch is nothing but a French knot with a long tail. Start by bringing your needle up from point 1. Hold the needle parallel to the fabric and wrap the thread around it 2 to 3 times. Not too tight, just like this. Now, unlike a French knot, where we go back into the same point, this time we insert the needle at point 2, slightly ahead of where we started. Pull the needle through while holding the thread gently with your other hand. And that's your first pistil stitch. I suggest watching this part of the video a couple of times to really get the hang of it. It's just like a French knot. The only difference is, instead of going into the same hole, we go a little ahead to create the long tail. The pistil stitch is perfect for making butterfly antennae, flower pistils, or even some beautiful decorative patterns. Here's how it looks from the back, and we'll secure it in place with a tiny stitch like this. Once you've mastered French knots, the pistil stitch becomes super easy to do. So I recommend learning the French knot first, if you haven't already. And that's how you do a pistil stitch. Happy embroidery!